Now, I've done a lot of reviews on this drone, explaining the technology and the specifications and what makes it so special, but there's no better way to show you how cool this drone is than to actually show you some footage from the drone. Now, I've been on vacation for the last couple of days up in Vermont, and I've been flying this drone like crazy over the last day and a half, and I've got some footage that I'd like to show you next, just to give you a feel for how crisp the images are from that 1-inch sensor and how stable this drone actually is up in the air. So stay tuned, I'll show you the footage, and then I'll come back with some final thoughts. I hope you enjoyed that footage. I love the Air 2S. I think it's the perfect package for anybody starting out that wants to learn how to fly, or if you're looking for a little bit larger drone that's a little bit more stable up in the air, because the wind was really whipping pretty good over those mountains, and this guy didn't even pivot in the air. It stayed exactly where I left it and really delivered some incredibly good footage. So hopefully you found this review helpful, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.